The Sri Lanka frogmouth is about 9 inches long, with a big, wide head and a hooked beak. Males are gray-brown with spots, while females are more chestnut-colored. They blend into the trees of the tropical forests in the western Ghats of India and Sri Lanka. There is no exact count, but they are not common. They are nocturnal, hunting insects at night, and look like a broken branch during the day. Their call sounds like pebbles clacking. Although they are listed as least concern, habitat loss from agriculture and climate change is a concern. Protecting their forest homes is key to keeping these night hunters around.